Imagine this. Scientists in China discovered a 150-million-year-old bird fossil that could completely rewrite the history of bird evolution. This ancient fossil shows detailed wings, feathers, and skeletal features never seen before in such an old bird species. Experts believe this discovery may prove that birds evolved much earlier than previously thought. This could be one of the biggest discoveries in avian biology since 1860. The fossil contains features of both dinosaurs and modern birds, revealing a missing link in evolution. Could this ancient creature change everything we know about the origins of birds? Subscribe for more mysterious discoveries and ancient secrets